Niacin, or vitamin B3, rarely works alone. Like the other B vitamins, it's a team player, an essential cog in a well-oiled metabolic machine that powers every cell in the body. While niacin has its own starring roles in energy metabolism, DNA repair, and cardiovascular health, its full potential really shines when it's working in concert with its biochemical siblings, vitamins B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin. Together, they form a metabolic symphony, orchestrating the delicate balance of energy production, red blood cell synthesis, and nervous system maintenance that keeps the body running smoothly. One of the clearest examples of this synergy shows up in cellular energy metabolism. Niacin forms the coenzymes NAD and NADP, which are central to converting carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy. But this process doesn't happen in a vacuum. Vitamin B1 helps catalyze the first steps of glucose metabolism. B2 helps convert NAD into its active form through the electron transport chain, and B6 is needed to break down amino acids into substrates that feed into these pathways. It's like a relay race. Without thiamine passing the baton, niacin never gets a chance to shine at the finish line. If any of these vitamins are missing, the entire energy process slows down, leading to fatigue, weakness, and sluggish brain function. Niacin also plays a critical role in red blood cell production, but it doesn't do this alone. Vitamin B12 and folate are well known for their role in DNA synthesis, a vital part of red blood cell formation. But niacin and B6 contribute by supporting the energy demands of red blood cell precursors and ensuring that methylation processes are running smoothly. B6, in particular, supports the synthesis of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen, while niacin's role in energy production ensures that cells have the power to divide, mature, and circulate. If one vitamin falls short, anemia or poor oxygen delivery can result, not because of a single missing nutrient but because the cooperative machinery has broken down. Then there's the nervous system, one of the most B vitamin-hungry systems in the body. Here, niacin, B6, and B12 act like the backstage crew, keeping the brain's performance seamless. Niacin supports the energy needs of neurons, allowing them to fire efficiently and repair themselves as needed. B6 helps synthesize neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, directly impacting mood, focus, and emotional balance. B12 maintains the myelin sheath that insulates nerve fibers, keeping signals sharp and preventing cognitive decline. Together, this group protects the nervous system from stress, supports mental clarity, and helps regulate mood. A deficiency in any one of them can throw the whole system off balance, leading to symptoms like depression, anxiety, numbness, or even cognitive fog. What's fascinating is how the body often relies on these vitamins to convert each other into usable forms. For example, tryptophan, the amino acid your body can use to make niacin, requires B6, B2, and iron to be converted effectively. If you're low in any of those, your ability to generate niacin from protein-rich foods diminishes, even if you're eating well. Similarly, B2 is needed to activate B6, and B12 is dependent on folate for methylation. The connections are endless, and when viewed as a network rather than isolated pieces, the importance of balance and sufficiency becomes clear. This is part of why B vitamin deficiencies so often cluster together. People with poor diets, digestive disorders, alcohol dependency, or high levels of chronic stress often show signs of multiple B vitamin insufficiencies at once. Fatigue, irritability, memory problems, and low stress tolerance aren't always signs of one glaring deficiency. They're often the quiet unraveling of a complex nutrient web. Fortunately, the solution is equally holistic. A varied, nutrient-dense diet with whole grains, legumes, meat, eggs, fish, leafy greens, and dairy products tends to cover the spectrum of B vitamins pretty well. Fortified cereals and breads can help too, especially in vulnerable populations. For people with specific health conditions, digestive issues, or limited diets, B-complex supplements can offer an insurance policy, delivering the vitamins together in the ratios the body naturally expects. Niacin's brilliance lies not just in what it does on its own, but in how it collaborates. It doesn't act like a solo hero, swooping in to save the day. It's part of an elite team, ensuring that metabolism hums, the brain stays sharp, and the blood keeps flowing. Without niacin, the system stutters. But without its B vitamin partners, even niacin can't do much. It's not just about having the right players. It's about making sure they all show up in balance and ready to work together. That's the real secret behind how B vitamins keep the body and the mind firing on all cylinders.